Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to add GTM code in WordPress website. First you have to create GTM account. If you have not created yet, you can find my video in the description and create account. After creating account, you can click your account and it will land you on the workspace, and here you can find your code. Click here. So this code will go into head section and this code will go in body section in the upper part. So first you have to log in your WordPress account and then click on appearance. Inside the appearance, click on theme file editor. In theme file editor you can click on theme header. So we have to see where is the head ended here. So here we will put the first code, copy this code and paste here, and the second code we will put here. This is the right place, I guess. So we will copy the second code and we can paste here. Now we can update the file. Right, now we will click on preview mode. So home page we can use, any page you can take. So here you can see the right sign here, and Google Tag Manager is now installed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or visit my website techcast.com.